Hey guys, Steve Welch here, BM Toyota in Nashville, standing outside of the new Toyota Grand Highlander here. So the Grand Highlander in the limited and the platinum trim levels offers you the ability to kick open the door. Going to show you how to do that. Also show you how to height adjust the back door so the height can go to a different level. First off, if you want to know what that sensor does, if you look right there, there's an icon. That sensor is where, or that indicator is where the sensor is. So all you need to do is kick forward and then come back. Once you do that, the door will pop open. You have to have the key within 3 feet of the back door as well, but you can open the door that way. You can also kick to close the door. I do want to mention this right here, these two buttons. If you hit this button, you'll get a second tone. As long as the vehicle has the ability to lock, meaning that a door is not open, something like that, you'll get a second tone. So rather than kick it shut, you just saw me kick it open. I'm going to hit this, listen for the second tone. So you heard that second tone, so it goes beep dong, and you hear that second tone. Once it gets to the bottom, you see it locked right there. It gave the flash that it had locked all the doors. So that is something that's a little bonus for you there. Gonna grab the door handle here and unlock the door. Now I'm gonna show you how to, and I just hit the power button here, so push the start button. I'm gonna show you how you can pop over here. So you can see that you can go through some of these menus. This is the 12:3 screen, right? Go through some of these menus. A lot of times what people are trying to do is they're trying to pop over here and look under the vehicle settings and stuff, and you're going, there's no settings here, and there's no, under customize, there's nothing for the doors. You're not going to find the back door there. The back door is here, all right? So I'm going to hit this back, and then I'm going to press and hold, hit back. And once I'm on this screen, press and hold OK. And now I can go up or down. So you just keep going down until you find settings. All right, I was just going up or down here, right? I'm going to hit OK. Once I hit OK, you can see I can adjust the meter brightness. I can do all that kind of stuff here. Rear cross traffic, all this stuff that you can do inside here, right? Vehicle settings. Right here, I'm going to hold OK. And then I'm going to come down, I'm just still hitting down to PBD. PBD is power back door. So this will turn on or off the hands-free function, right? The opening adjustment. Hit this, and you can see how high the back door will go. 1, 2, 3. I'll just set it to 2 so that I can show it to you here. You also have that right there will turn on or off the power back door. And then the volume of what it is, and we'll see who's saying hi. Southwest is saying hi. But you can adjust all of that right there, right? Now you also have this button where you can open it and close it as well. So, and you'll notice this too, unlock doors to open back door, because I had just hit that lock button. So I need to hit the unlock, and now I'm going to do that. So if the back door doesn't open, check that unlock and make sure that you have it unlocked. But you saw that I reset it to 2. So what level is 2? There it is. So the other thing is if you have that set that way, then obviously maybe you want it to go higher. You can still do this where you grab it, pull this all the way up, get it all the way to the top. So now once you're all the way to the top, you can also set it this way. Press and hold this and listen for the second set of tones. So listen. You heard that second set of tones? So now when I shut this door and come back, I have reset that height. So you can set it in the screen, or you can set it there. Got Southwest saying hi again. But I'll show you the kick again while I'm at it. So you can see it coming back up. Oh, we get Southwest's little cameo there. But you can see now it went all the way back. So you can set it further down. If you wanted to bring it down and then stop it in the spot, you could set it that way. But here's your kick to close it. It's just straight on. Don't be one of those people that tries to go side by side and sits there about falling over trying to go side by side to get your door to go up. But there it is. Your door on the Grand Highlander. How to set it, how to set the height, and how to kick it open. Steve Welch, BM Toyota. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.